Hello my good people, Alex from Katoa here, and today we're going to learn how to make some incredible coffee called Dalgona Coffee. Dalgona Coffee was created in Korea. They love some fancy coffees over there, and I learned with some friends here because I live in Koreatown, and I love it. It's great, it's fresh, it's super creamy, and it's different than anything else you've tried. So it's super easy. You just need sugar, instant coffee, and water. Simple. So you add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, and 1 tablespoon of water. So same measurements of each of the ingredients. Then, let's get this out of here. Comes the fun part. Because Dalgona coffee, besides being delicious, is actually also an exercise. So get ready, we're gonna have to really beat this thing to submission. Right now it's runny and weird, look at that, it's liquid, it's kind of liquidy. But as you beat this, it starts to foam and create this incredible thick cream. And we're gonna pour this over cold milk or almond milk or anything you want. So here I am. I'm going to start beating this. I'm going to let you guys be because it's going to take me a little while. But let's see how this works. Whoop! Squirt. Time to get yellow. Look at that. Try to mix all the sugar with the water and the coffee. Just beat the crap out of it. Ooh, it's starting to get foamy, see? I got this little whisks from Amazon. They're smaller than the usual one. And they're very effective for this and for other more delicate ingredients. Ooh, look at that. Super foamy already. The more you whisk it, the thicker it gets. Look at that. So the more you beat this thing, thicker it gets. Look at that, it's already light brown and thick. Delicious. Look at that. Almost there. Look at that, from the little watery thing, now we have this super thick consistency. And that's what we want. Fluffy and very caffeinated because we just put a whole tablespoon of instant coffee. This is a caffeine bomb. So if you're sensitive to caffeine, go easy on it. But if you need that kick, meal kick, you're gonna love Dalgona. So now to finish it, ready. Now, let's finish it. Ice on a cool glass. Then you can use the liquid of choice. I like organic soy and unsweetened, or organic pasture-raised milk. So choose your poison. I'm gonna go with my silk because I really like the texture. So you fill it up. With some room on top. And then spoon, with a spoon, and oh, look at this. That's amazing. And now I'm gonna put this on top of the milk. Cover your milk. And do a little twirl to look better. Look at that. Looks good. And voila! Dalgona coffee. You gotta try this. It's so damn good because it's thick and sweet and very coffee. And then you have the milk as a base, it's cold. So yeah, enjoy your Dalgona coffee, ladies and gentlemen. Have fun.